action notification, requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national-level emergency. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by, please stand by, please stand by. We interrupt our regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to give information to the public in assigned areas. This is WCVB. We will continue to serve the Boston, Massachusetts area. If this is not your local area, please tune to a station providing information to your local area. This is WCVB. We will continue to serve the Boston, Massachusetts area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. Stand by. The President of the United States, or his designated representative, will be speaking shortly.
Ladies and gentlemen, a representative of the President.
The following message has been authorized at the request of myself, the United States government, and an undisclosed organization. My fellow Americans, an unusual event is occurring. According to the undisclosed organization, a being that is known as the Devourer of Worlds has escaped its confinement and is about to enter Earth. Once this being has entered Earth, it is likely that humanity will go extinct, as we do not know how to stop this being. The undisclosed organization and the United States government advises that you do the following: gather with your loved ones in an underground shelter and prepare for the end. Do anything that makes you comfortable. It is your choice to inform children about these events. The President has selected a verse of the Bible to be read on air. Psalm 73:26, My flesh and my heart may fail, but God is the strength of my heart and my portion forever. This message will conclude with the final playing of the national anthem. Thank you, and God bless America.